description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for yet another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we got one that was sent by Ferengi from Australia. This is one from Indonesia. This is Indomie, Rasa, Rawon, Pedas, Mercon. Mercon's a pepper. Pedas is hot. Rawon is like a very dark soup. So we're going to give this a go. We'll see how it goes. I think it'll go well. But we'll see. I hope it goes well. Today is the 19th day of March of 2025. Let's put in the powder. The powders, rather. One looks to be a soup base. One looks to be a. I got these ready. I swear I got this ready. Maybe I didn't get that far. I'm gonna put the oily oils in it and dump the noodles in. That's kind of a bummer part of it. These tend to be a little beat up on the way over from Australia. I mean, they had to get to Australia from Indonesia, so we're going to go 1, 2, 3. No. 1, 2, 3. Go. So now you're going to watch the water barrel and cook. So I'm like really excited. So on Saturday, my daughter's going to have her first ball game. I can't remember what the other team is called, but they're going to lose. My daughter's team will win. That's the way I see it. That's the way it should be. We'll find out. I'm very curious about this. Ooh, I had a little taste. That way? That's a little better. Let's not have it too hot. But yeah, we'll get that going, then I'll dump in the liquid, and then we'll get going. But yeah, it is 11 a.m. on the 19th day of March. Yeah. We'll see. I'm tired, man. I'm tired. I was planning on getting something really cool today. When I went to the thrift store yesterday, they had a box phone. It's like an old phone in a box. And so your phone rings, and you open the lid, and you grab the phone out, and you answer it. Well, I was thinking, nah, I don't need that. And then today, I went out walking, and I was like, you know what? I should get that frickin' thing, because it's weird and cool. And maybe you could find a kit that makes it so you can convert it to like Bluetooth or something. So I waited extra long so I could go to the thrift store again and try to find such thing. Nope, it was gone. Some other person who is interested in getting said things got the thing, and I don't have the thing. So somebody got it. That's okay. I'll live. I'm kind of bummed, though. I was like, hey, this is something I can make happen. Nope. Nope. Not gonna happen. But this is happening. The noodles are happening. We're almost done. God. I'm feeling rather impatient today about cooking instant noodles. I don't know why. I don't want to wait around. Actually, I do have a guest coming. My sister's supposed to come by today, so I kind of want to get all this done so I can get all the after cooking done good. All right, so here, boiling hot, Indomie. No, you can't get this in the United States. No, you certainly will not. Let's try this. Don't splash into the liquid. There. It can be done. There's a lot of weird little things they say about slicing or opening sachets of Indomie, which is kind of funny. They're like, use a pair of chopsticks, grasp them by the end, and then pull them down from top to bottom. It sounds a little much. Alright, so let's see what we got here. It is dark, I will say. This Rawon soup is supposed to be very dark. And the Mercon aspect is supposed to be spicy. So it's very dark. I'll give it that. It comes across as a spicy beef soup. I will definitely say that's what I'm getting off of this. It's not bad. This one has a little slight extra oomph to the gauge of the noodle. A little chewier too. Oh, not bad. Not bad. I'm gonna use this bowl, which I may regret because it's rather deep. No, we'll see how that works. This is a bowl a different company sent me, so I can't really do this and like show off the logo for it. That'll work. Here, we'll turn it this way. But it's from a Taiwanese company that makes really good stuff. You know, I really like this noodle to stand up a little more. Okay. We're gonna do some egg. I got 3 eggs and I need to get through them. Let's see how they behave in this. Well, I'm only going to use 1 more. No, be good. That's not being good. That's an egg behaving badly. I'll try over here. I wish these eggs would float. They don't really have a lot of place to go, so I get it. But these are not the new eggs. I can't wait. I get to the next. I'm going to use the new eggs. Here's a little bit of scallion. And must not forget the garnish sachet. Try this garnish. I think it's just fried shallot. A little bit of seed. And some crushed red pepper. It's a very dark, foreboding bowl of noodles, don't you think? I mean, that they're not kidding. I did the Wikipedia entry in the post about this, and it mentions that it is like dark brown or black in character, this Rawon soup. So let's let it rotate and watch it do its thing and all that. Alright, well thank you very much for watching. The next one you're going to see is this. And this one really had me like having fits about it, but I get it now. So, this came by way of Frank over at 5am Ramen. You can go to 5amramen.com and he'll send you some just awesome stuff. Super premium stuff from Japan like this. This is Yamagata Chinese chicken flavor shoyu? Soy sauce ramen, I think? Well, it's got this tab, right? And I'm like, this has to be drained. But it doesn't. You can make it two ways. You can make it drained or not drained, or hot or cold. If you make it hot, you don't use this drain spout. If you make it cold, you would add cold water and drain it off and then add all the junk in. I'm making it hot, so... And I'll tell you how I figured that out, because I couldn't find it on his site, although I'm sure it's there. But anyways, yeah, thanks for watching. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.